Interphone Edge has the English language set by factory. Do you want to change it? Let's see how. Turn off the Interphone Edge pressing the central button until the light flashes red. Turn on the Interphone Edge again, pressing the central button until the light flashes blue. Short press of the up button. Short press of the central button. Short press of the up button. Press the central button when the voice speaks in the desired language. Set up Interphone Edge as you prefer. Let's see how through the Setup menu. Turn on the Interphone Edge. Press the down button to scroll through the main menu up to Setup mode. Short press of the central button to activate it. Press the up and down buttons to move into the sub-menu. To confirm or change one of the settings, press the central button.